If you want your clients to buy your products, kahit hindi pa nila hinahanap, gawin mo to. Alam mo, in Seoul, South Korea, meron ginawang study yung Dunkin' Donuts. Meron silang test na ginawa, no? So what they did is they installed this device. Okay? This is a aroma, perfume, something, no? So they installed this in public buses in South Korea. And by the way, etong perfume na to, or itong scent na to, this is like the beans of Dunkin' Donuts. This is the aroma beans of Dunkin' Donuts. So what they did is every time they play the jingle of Dunkin' Donuts, they spray this one. They play the jingle, tapos they spray this. They play the jingle, they spray this. So ibig sabihin, they associated the sound, the jingle, with the aroma and the beans. So, do you know what happened? After months, they checked the sales and the sales increased by 29% in the areas na in-install nila nito. So, there were 350,000 commuters na na-reach to, and in that area, sales increased by 29%. Most likely, it's because nagkakaroon ka na ng trigger na every time you hear that sound, that jingle, you would crave for coffee or you would crave to buy something from Dunkin' Donuts. So, how can you apply this to your business? So, ang point is, instead of just waiting for demand, how can you reverse engineer so that you can create demand for your business? Kasi maraming tao naghihintay lang, no? Sinisisi kasi yung competition na, wala akong benta, humining benta ko. Ang tanong, ano bang ginawa mo? In this case, Dunkin' Donuts did something so that people would buy their product or service, or people would buy yung coffee nila or yung donut nila kahit hindi mo pa hinahanap.